How to create private story on Snapchat. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app, and then you may create a snap or look for pictures on your camera roll. For example, I'll just take a picture right here by clicking on the capture button found on the bottom of the screen or bottom mid of the screen. So click on it, and then you may add then your text, your scribbles, notes, and etc. or stickers. And then click on stories right here and simply choose the last option, which is the private story. So this will indicate your name right here and then private story. Click on it and then you may read this one. So friends you've added to this private story will see it snaps um when viewing your My Story. So you just simply click on Add Snap right here, or you may click See Story Details if you want more information. Click on Add Snap and then click on this Send button right here or Post button, and then there you go. That's how you can create private story on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.